Late March of this year, we had a series of hailstorms come through in the Jackson area, and I noticed some water leaking on my front porch, and it certainly was not there before. So I figured it was attributable to the hailstorm. Dallas contacted me and made an easy appointment and evaluated the house, said yes, you definitely have some damage and looks like your house is a good candidate for a new roof, so let's start the process. The better part of their story was how easy they made it to deal with my insurance company. Very much kind of white glove service. I mean, they said we'll take care of it, and they literally did. First and foremost, I've had multiple neighbors tell me how pretty the roof looks like. The way my house is situated, you see it prominently as you're driving down the street, and it feels nice. You know, not only have I noticed how nice it is, but my neighbors have as well. They were excellent at setting an appointment, meeting the appointment, following up. They told me exactly when the materials would arrive right on time. They told me when their team would be here to come do the work, right on time, and then they completed exactly when they said they would. So, you know, it's been a very good experience with them. Kudos to them.